Opposition leader Mark Golding has indicated his support for the government's push to achieve herd immunity against the coronavirus. Speaking Tuesday in the House of Representatives, he echoed Prime Minister Andrew Holness's sentiments about Jamaica being a country familiar with inoculation. Calling it a national duty, the opposition leader also prompted the nation's leaders to, quote, join dialogue in encouraging Jamaicans to receive the COVID-19 vaccine, end quote.
As leaders, we set the example and hope that others will follow. And as has been said, it's a difficult thing because so many of our people are influenced in an era of pervasive social media by the misinformation that is prevalent, and tied in with perhaps a culture that is a little hesitant about this particular vaccine as well. And that combination is a challenging combination for Jamaica, and we have to resist it because ultimately getting our economy back up and running, getting back to a state of normalcy in the society, how we can move around, how we can socialize, how we can worship, and so on, is going to be dependent on achieving that percentage, that 65 to 75% that the Prime Minister spoke of. So we all as leaders have a duty to try to encourage persons to take a scientific approach, don't embrace or further the interests of those who enjoy spreading misinformation. And let us try to get to the point where we can say Jamaica is essentially COVID-free. And I will always support that initiative and play my part, Prime Minister, to promote it, because I think it's a national duty.
To date, over 155,000 Jamaicans have received a first dose of the COVID-19 vaccine, and 22,206 have received their second dose. On Sunday, 55,200 doses of the AstraZeneca vaccine were received from the COVAX facility.